Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like an avatar decoration to your Discord avatar. So to do that, I'm just going to select user settings. Then I'm going to select edit user profile. And then I'm going to scroll down to avatar decoration and I'm going to select change decoration. Here you have a lot of options, but these are the ones that I have so far. You can buy them here in the shop, but you do still need actually, you don't need Nitro if you have bought a decoration, I think. But you're just going to select the decoration that you want. For instance, this one, and it'll show you kind of the preview. And I also bought this cat one. And you can also preview the rest here. They have a bunch of new ones from Valorant. I love this Discord and Valorant collaboration. They have this cute one, and yeah, I'm just going to select it. Then I'm going to select apply and then save changes. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!